Hello again, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener. Time for another This Week in Landscape Construction. So, 6 jobs I have going on this week. Let's take a quick tour of all of them. First up is the pool deck. So, in previous weeks, you've seen this pool get poured, and now it's time to lay the flagstone deck. Now, flagstone is a beautiful material for a pool deck, but it is very time consuming. As you can see, how much time it's taking him to put one piece down, because there's a lot of jigsaw pieces to do it. So it takes a few weeks for 2 or 3 guys to lay a flagstone pool deck down, but the end result, as you're going to see next week, is just beautiful. Here you can see he's doing a little fine-tune cutting because it is a pool deck, lots of bare feet. You want to make sure to get all the rough edges out before you do any grouting. And then the other team is working their way around the other side. So again, big jigsaw. Number 2, we're going to do a paver patio and pathway around here. So we're going to lay out the main area, which is actually going to be artificial turf with the hose, and then you can see the guys are laying out the pavers there. The third one is another pavers, but this one is a backyard. So again, lay it out with the red hose, put on the crushed base, bring in the leveling sand, and back up the truck, big truck, to bring in the pavers. About 8 pallets worth of pavers. Tricky little access because of the narrow streets there, so we couldn't get the truck all the way in. That's when we bring in this very cool forklift to pick up the pavers from the truck and very carefully sneak it past the minivan, going around the corner, up the street to the yard. So it's kind of fun to see how pavers get delivered to some of these properties that don't have really good access. And you can see here they've laid it out. This only took about a week. They did a great job. Now they're concreting in the soldier course, and then they're going to go back in and do the polymetric sand next week. But this one is coming out great. Number 4. All right, we've done the demo, done the clearing, grading, and now they're starting to build up. So they started building up the outdoor kitchen with the CMU block. They've also started to build up the fireplace, also with CMU block. And there's also going to be a shade structure, so they're tying in the header beam to the house right now. Then next week they're going to build up that shade structure. And number 5 is the very first day, day 1, time to demo out all the stuff. This was a really messed up backyard, so whacking a lot of the old vegetation out, taking out a lot of dirt, a lot of grass to get it nice and leveled for a beautiful backyard, getting it all out there. Well, that's all the time we have for today. Make sure to hit that like button if you enjoyed this quick spin around various landscape construction sites, and subscribe to get more of my videos on landscape construction, gardening, and a whole lot more here at the 2-Minute Gardener. Until next time, this is Doug, the 2-Minute Gardener, saying thanks for watching.